slip. I'm tryna make the stacks double on the road for what? I got bills to pay. I can be sending the road you, I got moves to make. Sorry if you ain't getting paid, we gon' relate. Is you gonna hustle or beg off all the people's plate? And you wonder why the girls won't holla. I'll tell you cause the holla bought $1. Don't holla if you have a low name. If you're ugly, just give a low change. Save your breath, she don't wanna hit again. She heard it all, say it's all the same thing. We on the same exact thing, we tryna get rich.
Y'all wanna know? I got so much love everywhere I go, yes. Holla me, holla me, holla me. Next level, I'm getting petty. Y'all stay ready. You can come around if you like to be petty. Holla me, holla me, holla me. You like my car? Check out my chick. I'm digging up a dress. Look at the figure of the wrist. Her friends looking, they wanna know I'm with. Hotel sweet, maybe we can switch. I'm chasing money, so get chasing me. I just wanna eat, you just wait and see. I know I'm blessed, I'm on my best. I'm on the next level up, I hop in the next. I'm a fat great without booking a sweat. Cut me a check, better be what I expect. I'm the hustle man, I get it for the low. I said everything, just let me know. I'm super petty, y'all wanna know? I got so much love everywhere I go, yes. Holla me, holla me, holla me. Next level, I'm getting petty. Y'all stay ready. You can come around if you like to be petty. Holla me, holla me, holla me.
Breaking laws, I just wanna get a brick of raw. Go home and tell my bitch that she can quit the mall. Bitch and powder in the projects to pay the bills. She gon' get a prescription and then they my pills. 30 carats on the cross, Lord stay with me. We on the devil's playground, I bought that 8K with me. And I got 8 now, so watch what you say to me. I take everything like the feds tryna raid on me. Maybe it's the ice, make a broke bitch hate on me. Make a broke bitch hate on me. I'm just tryna skirt out, pull up and get that work off. These pussy niggas nervous, I pull up for a check.